रिपीट करना स्लो, सिंगल नहीं डबल लेकिन स्लो. की जय.
Radhe Radhe.
राधे राधे.
On behalf of Radha Madhav Dham and all of you, I welcome Maheshwaran Bhaiya here. We are so happy that at least he could make it to come. Let me give a brief intro of him. Swami Maheshwaranandji renounced the world and went to our yearly sadhana program in India, in Mangal, in the year 1988 and met our Supreme Acharya, Jagadguru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj. So with the guidance and divine grace of Sri Kripaluji Maharaj, Swami Maheshwaranandji studied the deepest aspects of the intricate secrets of our Bharatiya scriptures. Sri Maharajji made him a sannyasi preacher in the year 1993. Since then, Swami Maheshwaranandji has been traveling throughout the United States, Canada, West Indies, Guyana, and where he diligently works with devotees through lectures, devotional retreats to provide the necessary divine knowledge so that they can deepen their bhakti to Radha Krishna and understand the message of selfless love and service to God. I request all of you to please listen to his discourse very attentively, and please turn off your cell phones and put them in silence mode. Now, as a token of our respect for Maheshwaranand Bhaiya, I request Shekhar Sinha to offer him a garland.
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. चेतो दर्पणमार्जनं भवमहा दावाग्निर्वापनं श्रेयः कैरवचन्द्रिका वितरणं विद्यावधूजीवनम् आनन्दां बुद्धिवर्धनं प्रतिपदं पूर्णामृता स्वादनं सर्वात्मस्नपनं परं विजयते. श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनम्. नमः कमलना भाय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षण यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्घं देवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। बोले राधा कृष्ण भगवान की जय। Most divine, beloved, worshipable devotees of Sri Radha Krishna, divine souls. First, let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone, and my pranam, my humblest prostrations to all of you. Today, I'm going to do what is called Pad Vyakhya. This is an attempt at explaining a divine poetry, divine poem written by Jagat Guru Tam Shri Kripaluji Mahaprabhu. The most divine book, Prem Ras Madira, containing 1008 pads, 21 madhuris. This pad is from Siddhanta Madhuri and written by Jagat Guru Tam Shri Kripalu Mahaprabhu is indeed divine. So I'm making an attempt to explain what he has said in this pad and what he wants us to understand. Hopefully you'll be able to join me. I think so. As we chant a little bit and then we will hear some explanation. मिलियो रतन अनमोल हमें तो highly evolved soul is saying, I have attained something invaluable, the value of which I can't express, is priceless. I say Ratan, that gem I have received, attained. What is the gem? It is called Prem, divine love. ये मिल गया. I have attained that. This Prem, this divine love, is the rarest of all attainments. Gaurang Mahaprabhu says, Pancham Purushat Soi Prem Mahadhan. Mahadhan. Therefore, Purusharth, traditional aims of human life according to Sanatan Dharma, Hindu philosophy, Dharma, Arth, Kam, Moksha, Purusharth. Dharma, desire for righteousness, to go to heaven. Arth, desire for wealth, money. Kam, desire for pleasure. And moksha, desire for liberation. Gaurang Mahaprabhu says, no. There's a fifth, Panchama, which is the highest, Mahadhan. That is called Prem. In the Ramayana too, Kagha Basundi ji says to Garuji, Sab karmat khagnayak eha, Kari Ram pad pankaj neha, Sakha param parmarath ehu, Kari Ram pad pankaj nehu. My friend, all the scriptures, all the paths, all the saints have come together and they have come to one mat, one conclusion. All have come together and they have come to all the Vedas, all the scriptures, they have come to one conclusion. What is that? Kari Ram pad pankaj neha. To have love, Neha means love, Prem. To have love for the lotus feet of Prabhu Shri Ram, of God. Sakha param parmarath ehu. Here also Kagha Basundi ji is rejecting the four traditional aims of human life, just as Gaurang Mahaprabhu. He says there's a fifth, Param. Sakha Param Paramarth. And that is Kari Ram Pad Pankaj Nehu. Love. Prem. We also say, I love you, I love you. Not that love. To say I love you in the world is wrong. This love is a divine power. A divya shakti hai. Look, Bhagwan Shri Krishna has uncountable powers, Ananta Shakti. Everything he has is infinite, uncountable. This is why in the Vedas, Shri Krishna is also called Anant. One of his name is Ananta. Ananta Nam Rupaya Ved. Anantaschatma Vishwarupo Hyakarta Ved. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Ved. Anant. Everything uncountable name, uncountable form, uncountable powers, everything. Yet, in these uncountable powers, the Chaitanya Charitamrita says that three are main. तीन प्रमुख है. कृष्णेर अनंत शक्ति ताते तीन प्रधान. चित शक्ति, माया शक्ति, जीव शक्ति नाम. अंतरंगा बहिरंगा ततस्था कही जा रे. अंतरंगा स्वरूप शक्ति सबर ऊपरे. Chaitanya Charitamrita. So the three main powers of Sri Krishna are Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti and Maya Shakti. Chit Shakti is also called Swarupa Shakti, Antaranga Shakti. His most personal power, personal potency. Jeev Shakti is also called Tatastha Shakti or marginal power. And Maya Shakti is called Bahiranga Shakti, external power. This is also stated in Vishnu Puran. Vishnu Shakti Praprokta Kshetagya Tatha Para Avidya Karma Sangyanya Tritiya Shakti Ruchyate. Vishnu Puran. Even in these three powers, these three main powers, the Swarup Shakti, Chit Shakti or Swarup Shakti is the most important and personal. This Swarup Shakti again is divided in three categories. Hladini, Sandhini, Sambit. Hladini, Sandhini, Sambit, Tvaye ka sarva sanshaye. Hladata pakari misha tvaino guna varjite. Vishnu Puran. I'm sure you've heard and many times and you've read that Sri Krishna has three aspects. Three aspects. Sat, Chit, Anand. These are three aspects of Sri Krishna. So he is known as Sachidanand. So the Swarup Shakti of Sri Krishna, in the Sat aspect, the governing power is called Adhishtatri Shakti. The governing power of Sat Shakti is called Sandhini Shakti. The Adhishtatri Shakti or governing power of Chit Shakti of Sri Krishna is called Samvit Shakti. And the Adhishtatri Shakti or governing power of Ananda Shakti is called Hladini Shakti. Sat Chit Anandamay Krishner Swarup Atev Swarupa Shakti Hai Tin Roop Anandanshe Hladini Chidanshe Shambit Sadanshe Sambit Chidanshe Sandhini Tare Jnana Karimani. Chaitanya Charitamrita. This Sat, Chit, Anand, this three aspect of Sri Krishna, the Sat aspect, Sat is supreme existence. Chit is supreme knowledge and Anand is supreme bliss. The Sat aspect merges into the Chit. So the Chit contains both existence as well as knowledge, and Sat and Chit merges into Anand. So Anand contains all three of existence, knowledge as well as bliss. So the Anand aspect of Sri Krishna is the highest. This is why Sri Krishna is called only Anand. Anando Brahmeti Vijanat. Taittiriya Upanishad, chapter 3, verse 6. In the same way, the Hladini Shakti or bliss potency is the highest aspect of Swarup Shakti of Sri Krishna. Furthermore, Hladini Shor Ansha Tar Prem Naam. Chaitanya Charitamrita. The essence, Usar Bhut Tattva, the essence, the highest point of this Hladini Shakti is called Prem. Prem, divine love. And the highest point of this Prem, this Sarbhut Tattva, the essence, is called Mahabhav or Radharani, Radha Tattva. So you see, Prem, this Prem thing that we say, love, 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 this is a divine power. It's Sri Krishna's most personal and of private of powers. It's a divine power. We say love, 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 not love. जाते कछु निज स्वार्थ होई, तापर ममता करे सब कोई। सुर नर मुनि सब कै यह रीति, स्वार्थ लागी करई सब प्रीति। It's a joke. Shiv Bhagwan is saying to Parvati, the basis of all worldly affection, all worldly love is selfishness, swarth. When someone fulfills our selfishness, they do what we want, I love you. And they don't fulfill our selfish aim, or that selfish aim comes to harm, I hate you. This is what we call love and hate in the world. Anyhow, so this is the Ratan. Muktanapi siddhanam narayana parayana sudurlapa shantatva kotishvapi mahamune. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 6th Canto, 14th chapter, 5th verse. The Bhagavad Mahapuran says, amongst millions and millions of self-realized souls, Atmagyani, self-realized souls, there is seldom one who succeeds in attaining this divine love, this bhakti, this prem. Ek. Karoron mein ek. So rare and so difficult to attain. But the one who attains it, Bhagwan Shri Ram says to Kag Bhasundi ji, Bhaktivant ati nichahu prani, mohi pran priya mama asvani. Bhagwan Shri Ram is saying to Kag Bhasundi ji, oh Kag Bhasundi, if someone could be the lowest of low, Chandal is a person who eats the flesh of a dog. So low a soul. But if he has love for me, he's dearer to me than my life. On the other hand, Bhaktihin biranchi kin hoi, sab jivahu sam priya mohi soi. On the other hand, if someone doesn't have love for me, God is saying, even if he's Biranchi, my beta, my son, Brahma, but if he doesn't have love for me, he's nothing but an ordinary soul. Bhagavad, Prahlad Maharaj says to Nising Bhagwan, Vipradvishang gunayuta daravindanabh padaravinda vimukha chhapachambarishtham manye tadarpita mano vachane hitartha pranam punati sakulam natu bhurimana. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 7th Canto, 9th chapter, 10th verse. Prahlad ji is saying to Nising Bhagwan, hey Swami, that Shwapach, the Chandal, the Shwapach, as I mentioned, the low one who is eating the flesh of a dog, who dedicates his mind, senses, organs, soul, and every activity in the service of the Supreme Lord, is far, far superior to a Brahmin who possesses the 12 qualities in Satyug, etc. Not in Kalyug. That Brahmin possesses the 12 qualities, but he doesn't have love for me. That Shwapach, that Chandal is far, far superior to him. Brahma says to Shri Krishna, Jnane prayasa mudapasya namanta eva जीवन्ति सन्मुखरितां भवती अवार्तां स्थाने स्थिता श्रुतिगतां तनुवां मनोभिर् ये प्रायशो जितजितोप्यसितैस्तिलोक्याम्. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 10th canto, 14th chapter, 3rd verse. Brahma was deluded. Huh? He stole all the cowhoods, the friends of Sri Krishna, Sakhalog, and the cows and hid them in the cave. Bhagwan Sri Krishna himself became all the Sakha, all the cowherds and all the cows. Brahma was taught a lesson. Not going to go in the katha. You've heard many times. Brahma fell down at the feet of Sri Krishna, realizing this little boy, he was not a chokra, not a boy, but he was so free. He thought he was going to cry, rowing. Bhagwan blessed Brahma. He saw all the cows and all the cowherd boys as Sri Krishna himself. He fell at the feet and he says, pure bhakti, pure love, unmixed with the desire for moksha, liberation, is the highest gold. वो सबसे बड़ा रत्न है, the highest gem. So this is what the soul is saying, I have attained. And not that. Koti kuber sihat mohilakhi piyat prem ras ghol. I am drinking that divine nectar, that divine love. And Kuber, uncountable Kuber. Kuber, he is the god of wealth. In heaven, he is the god of wealth. Uncountable, they are uncountable Kuber, uncountable Indra, uncountable Agni, uncountable Vayu, uncountable Swarg. So uncountable Kuber, seen me drinking this divine love, he has become very jealous. Because he is a god of wealth, but he has nothing, poor fellow. Because there is no true happiness. It's temporary. Ehi tan kar phal vishaya na bhai, swargahu swalpa ant dukhdai. Bhagwan Shri Ram is saying to the residents of Ayodhya, this human body that we have is so valuable. So valuable. Devatas are praying for it. Devatas, people worship Devatas, celestial gods. Indraya Namaha Swaha, Agnaye Namaha Swaha, Vayave Namaha Swaha. Those same celestial gods are praying and begging for this human body. So Bhagavan is saying this, such a valuable human body was not given to you to just enjoy the senses and have a good time in the world. It was given to come to Radha Madhav Dham and do sadhana. I know, COVID. And many people are thinking, these people are so crazy. How dare they have a sadhana shivir? This is Maharaji's desire. Maharaji was so excited. I remember he was so excited to start this sadhana shivir. In the first year we had it, and he was called at the end, we all heard him speaking. It was put on this PA system. And Maharaji was so happy, and he said, every year, this is going to happen every year. And you should fix it, that you should be here. When Maharaji has given this, it means he is here and he's showering his grace and blessing. We should not have anything in our mind. Yes, we have to practice certain things, social distancing, sanitizing, cleaning the hand. Do that. Don't have fear. Because ehi sar avat ati kathinai, Ram kripa binu ai na jai. He showered His grace upon us. That's why those of us who are here, we are able to come. Otherwise, we would have found some excuse and argued and call and email and say, you people crazy. I know a lot of fight was given. Praise to those who were steadfast and had faith in Radharani, had faith in Kripalu Mahaprabhu. And you're going to get the taste of that Ratan, that Anmol Ratan. We have to do things to get it. This is not given easily. This is the most private, the most treasured thing that Sri Krishna has. He does not give it easily. That's why we have to work hard for it. That's why we have to go against our intellect and all, and family and friend and all kinds of things to be here. Yeah, you have to fight. Because this is the thing. This is what we have come here for. You want it, you will get it. Just follow what Kripalu Mahaprabhu is telling us. Just follow his Agya Palan. Agya Palan. So, uncountable, Kuber will become jealous when you are drinking that divine love. Milyo ratan अनमोल हमें तो
मिलो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
ओ मिलो रतन अनमोल तो
मिलो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
कोटि कुबेर सिहात मोहि लखी
कोटि कुबेर सिहात मोहि लखी
ओ कोटि कुबेर सिहात मोहि लखी
कोटि कुबेर सिहात मोहि लखी
पियत प्रेम रस घोल हमें तो
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 मिल्यो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
मिलो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
अब ये कैसे पाएंगे, कैसे प्राप्त करेंगे? How are we going to attain? Or the soul is telling us how he attained it. ये कैसे प्राप्त किया? उपायो रतन अमोलक मैंने राधे राधे बोल. I attained that priceless gem, the divine love, wanting by chanting Radhe Radhe. Not like a parrot. टोटे की समान नहीं है. We have to chant Radhe Radhe. Radhe Krishna, Radha Govind, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, any name of the Lord. But there's a way we have to do it. Uncountable lifetimes you've taken name of Bhagwan, but we've not taken it in the right way. There's a right way and there's a wrong way. So many gurus tell the disciple, just take a mala and do Hare Ram, Hare Krishna 108, 16 times. Jap. So many mantra, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Radhe Radhe, do jap. Yet there's no benefit. Because they have failed to understand the most important thing in the bhakti is the mind, man. Man eva manushyanam karnam bandha mokshayoho. Brahma Bindu Upanishad, second mantra. Bhagwan, Guru notes only what the mind is doing, what we are thinking, hamara vichar. Not the sense organ, not the physical action. Because the mind is the performer of the action. The mind alone is the cause of bondage as well as liberation. अब देखो हमारे कितने सौभाग्य है बड़े. Do we ever think how fortunate we are that we have found such a guru who has shown us the right way? We could have been doing japa and all these things. Mostly that is what is done today in the world. How many gurus are teaching the followers focus the mind? रूप ध्यान कीजिए, रूप ध्यान. अब एक बार राधे नाम मत बोलो. Shri Maharaji says, don't say Radhe name even once. Meditate on Radharani. Meditate on Guru. Visualize. Think. Radhe naam is Shakti hai. There is Shakti in the name Radha. Radhe. Naam naam kari bahudha nija sarva shaktis. Tartar pita niyamita smarane nakala. Etadishi tava kripa Bhagavan mamapi durdaivami dishamiha janinanuraga. Shikshastak Gaurang Mahaprabhu. Hey Shri Krishna, you are so merciful. You have so many names, uncountable. And you are so merciful, you have taken all your powers and put in the name. नाम में सारा शक्ति, सर्व शक्ति सब भर दिया. अरे बैठे हैं नाम में. He's sitting in the name. Radha Rani is sitting in the name Radha. And this Radhe name, it is so dear to Shri Krishna. It is said that while he was sleeping, he would be sleeping, every pore of his body, Radhe, Radhe, Radhe would come. Ab socho, think how dear this name Radhe is to Shri Krishna. He does Radhe Radhe jap. Swash Swas. Shri Maharaji says, don't take the mala. Shwas. You were told this is in the retreat. In the spare time, you walk in, do shwas. When you breathe in, think ra. You breathe out, think de. You don't have to say it, just think. But not only that, have the faith. Etadishi tava kripa bhagavan mamapi. Hey Shri Krishna, hey Radhe Rani, you're so merciful. Antim Sima. Your mercies are to the topmost size. Lekin, Durdaiva mi dishamiha. My Durdaiva, my misfortune is also to the highest, in that I do not have attachment, love for taking your name. Anurag nahi hai. It's not there. We have to practice. If it's not there, practice. It will come. Shri Maharaji says people get attached in the world to dirty, nasty things. Cigarette, chai, alcohol. These are dirty things, and we get attached and it holds on to you. You can't let it go. And imagine Radhe Rani, Shri Krishna, infinite divine premanand, divine bliss. Once it takes hold of you, that will be it. But we have to practice. Abhyas na abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena cha grihyate. Constant practice. Abhyas. Ab dekho, itna badhiya mauka. Look at the wonderful opportunity we have gotten. Many of us, we can't work, we can't do anything. This is a blessing. We should see this as a great blessing, that we can sit down. We have so much time. Yes, we have less people in the sadhana retreat this time in the Shivir. So we have less seva. Normally everybody is so busy, running everywhere. You can't get time to sit in the hall and do sadhana. Ab mil gaya mauka. Forgotten the opportunity. Sit down. Make the most use of it. Even if you're in your home, wherever you are, if you wasn't able to attend, take this time as an opportunity to do more sadhana. Nobody has guarantee. जिस समय मरेंगे, what time, when we are going to die, वो निश्चित है. No one can change that. No one can increase or decrease when we are going to die. If you have to die by COVID, you're going to die. And if you don't have to die, you will not. You may get sick. You will not die. No one can increase and decrease or decrease. Not even 1 second. Yet this is the divine law of Shri Krishna. Well, we don't know when. We don't know when. Whether it's COVID or whatever, we don't know. I don't have this guarantee. So utilize every moment. Don't be careless. So Radhe Naam, have the faith that Radha Rani is sitting in the name. When we sit down to chant here, don't chant empty. Whether we are doing arti, whether we are doing pratna, whether we are doing bhog, or we're just doing the pads and kirtan. Do Roop Dhyan. Try. If your mind is not getting there, keep trying. Maharaj is going to help. Have faith. He brought you here. He will help. Have faith. Meditate. Focus the mind. And we will attain it. Sure, we will attain it. मिल्यो रतन अनमोल
तो
ओ मिल्यो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
मिल्यो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
पायो रतन अमोलक मैंने
आयो रतन अमोलक मैंने
राधे राधे बोल हमें तो
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 मिल्यो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
मिल्यो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
रसिकन दीन बताय कृपा करी बैकुंठहु की पोल। हाँ, रसिक sant. There are many different categories of saints. Rasik, ras means Shri Krishna, Anand, bliss. It's a name for Shri Krishna. Raso vaisah rasagvam hevayam labdhva nandi bhavati. Taittiriya Upanishad chapter 2 verse 7. Shri Krishna is ras, Anand, bliss. And Shri Krishna is also rasik. He is a ras and he is a drinker of that ras. Rasik means that one who is drinking, jo peete hai, ras. The one who is drinking that ras. So he is rasik shiromani, topmost of rasik. So one who is drinking the divine nectar, divine love of Shri Radha Krishna is called a rasik saint, a rasik sant. Having met a true rasik sant, a rasik saint, he has told me a secret. वो पोल खोल दिया. He's told me a secret. What is the secret? Don't even think about Vaikuntha. That there is nothing there. It's nothing doesn't mean nothing, but वो रस नहीं है. There's no that ras, the divine bliss. वो ऐश्वर्य ऐश्वर्य है. It's only ऐश्वर्य, pure ऐश्वर्य in Vaikuntha. वो रहने वाला है ना वो महाविष्णु. The one who lives there is called Mahavishnu. चार भुजा, 4 arms, शंख चक्र गदा पद्म, upholding weapons in the 4 arms, the Kankshal, the Sudarshan Chakra, Gada, the mace, and lotus flower. And he's always serious, Gambhir. अब मुस्कुराते भी नहीं, he doesn't even smile. Mahalakshmi is pressing his lotus feet day and night. वो उसके तरह भी देखते नहीं. He doesn't even look at her. Huh? No. Past times, no leela, no sweetness, pure Aishwarya. So Rasik saints now says, no, don't think about, don't even think about Vaikunt Wale. Some of the pads Kirtan Maharaj has written for us, we stay far away from the one who lives in Vaikunt and the wife of that one, the consort. Shri Krishna himself, Radha Rani herself, but not in the form we want. That Anamol Ratan is not there. That is only in Golok. Only in Golok. Or Nishkam Prem karne se. We have to be Nishkam. There are people who attain Mahavishnu, they go to Vaikunt, but there's a desire. Ye char mukti, there are four mukti. Sarupya, Samipya, Salokya, Sarshti. These char. I'm not going to go in detail. Time is running away. To have an abode like Mahavishnu, to have a form like Mahavishnu, to be close to him all the time, and to have opulences like him. No desire. Hari Guru Bhaju Nit Govinda Radhe Bhav Nishkam Ananya Bata De. Nishkam Bhav, Ananya. These two are very important. Nitya is also very important. Only Hari, Radha Krishna, only Guru, Rasik, Sant, or Nitya all the time. Bhav Nishkam, selfless love. Selfless love. Bhagwan doesn't want to give this bhakti. Imagine he's trying to fool his greatest devotee. Kaghabusundi manguvar ati prasanna mohijan anima dikha siddhi aparnidhi moksha sakala sukha khan. Hey Kaghabusundi ji, I'm extremely pleased with you. Ati prasanna. I will give you anything you desire. Kaghabusundi ji says, Maharaj, I don't want anything. Kya denge? What are you going to give? Anima, Laghima, Garima, powers to perform miracles, great treasure, Nidhi, and moksha, the best of attainment. Bas. Kaghabusundi said to him, okay, that's enough. You can't fool me. My guru, I had the right guru. He told me the right way. Keep this, give it to those who, there's nothing. I want the Anamol Ratan. If you want to give anything, give me that Anamol Ratan. Give these toys. These are toys to those Gyanis, those who want it, Karmi, etc. What do I want? Avirala Bhakti Vishuddha Tava Shruti Puran Jehi Gav Jehi Khojat Yogish Muni Prabhu Prasad Ko Pav Adeh Daya Kariram. This Avirala Bhakti, Vishuddha Bhakti, Anapani Bhakti, Nishkam Prem, Preman. This is the Anamol Ratan. Kaghabusundi ji said, give me that. That selfless love that makes even you the das, the servant of your servant. So, that Rasik saint, he told me the secret, no Vaikunt. All I want, Golokvasi, I want that love. मिल्यो रतन अनमोल हमें तो मिल्यो रसिकन दीन बताय कृपा करी
रसिकन दीन बताय कृपा करी
बैकुंठ हूँ की ओल हमें तो
वैकुंठ की बोल हमें तो
ओ मिल्यो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
मिल्यो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
we are told in the world, people read little Gita, everybody thinks they know what is written in Gita. Nowadays, the Facebook, everybody has become a preacher of Gita. हे भगवान, और जानते नहीं क्या है गीता में क्या है. They don't even know what is in Gita, but everybody is a preacher. And you have to do karma and you have to do dharma. And we have also been told this before we met the Rasik saint, the one who has attained that, who has that Anamol Ratan. And we have probed. Or he did the probe for us and told us, hey, there's nothing there, it's useless. अब कर्म धर्म करने से क्या मिलेगा? What you going to get by doing karma dharma? First, to begin, impossible in Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga Joga na jagya jnana ek aadhar ram gun gana. Impossible in Kali Yuga. And even if someone can do, what you're going to attain? Swarg, which is useless, heaven. Pramudha. The Vedas say, the one who wants to go to heaven is not only an ordinary fool, but the greatest fool. Pramudha. वहाँ कुछ है ही नहीं, there's nothing there. Mundak Upanishad, first Mundak, second content mantra. Not going to go in detail. So I've been probed, and my guru probed for me and showed me that leave all this karma dharma. Don't get this chakkar mein mat jao, don't go there. Don't worry about all this karma dharma. First in Gita, Shri Krishna tried to put Arjuna in that way also too. And then he brought him into Bhagavad at the end. Okay, sarvaguhyatamam bhuyah. I'm going to tell you the most private of secret. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam braj. Chapter 18, verse 66. Give up all this dharma, karma. Chhod do. And take shelter in me alone. Just chant Radhe Radhe. Surrender to me. Don't worry about anything. अब पाप करेंगे, अपना धर्म नहीं करेंगे. If I don't do dharma, I will be doing पाप, sin. छोड़ो, मत सोचो. Don't think. अहम त्वाम सर्व पापे भ्यो Mokshayishyami ma suchaha. I will free you from. I'll take care of it. Don't worry. Take shelter in me. That's all. So, I don't have to worry about that also. Milyo ratan anmol hame to
मिलो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
कर्म धर्म सब ढोल पोल है
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 देखो सब ही टटोल हमें तो
देखो सब टटोल हमें तो
ओ मिल्यो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
मिलो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
Very briefly, the last line. साधन सिद्ध कृपालु प्रेम दो सुन लो कान ही खोल. कान खोल के सुन लो. Shri Kripalu Mahaprabhu is saying, open your ears really big and listen carefully. To attain this Anamol Ratan, we have to do something. Bhaktya sanjataya bhaktya vibhratyutpalakantanum. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 11th canto, 3rd chapter, 31st verse. Prabhupada Maharaj, one of the 9 Yogeshwars, on being questioned by Videhanimi, says to attain that Anamol Ratan, that bhakti, we have to do bhakti. So there are 2 bhakti. One is this bhakti, this is the Anamol Ratan. And to attain that, we have to do bhakti. No gyan, no karma, no yoga. Only bhakti. Bhaktya tvanyaya shakya aham evam vidhojana gyatum darsum tattvena praveshtun cha parantapah. First he said, Naham vedena tapasa na dane na chejaya. Chapter 11, verse 53, Gita. Arjun, no study of the Vedas, no fasting, no charity, no yajna, nothing in this way can help you attain in this Anamol Ratan. So how to attain? Bhaktya tvananyaya. Chapter 11, verse 54. Only through exclusive, ananya, mentioned before, exclusive bhakti. Whether one wants to see Shri Krishna, one wants to attain the divine vision of Shri Krishna, one wants to merge into Shri Krishna, one wants to attain the divine knowledge, whatever you want. We want that Anamol Ratan bhakti, Ananya bhakti. We have to practice. So Siddha bhakti, So there are two bhaktis, sadhana bhakti, siddha bhakti. साधन सिद्ध राम पगनेहु, मोहि लखी परत भरत मत एहु. Dhritarashtra gives a little hint in Ramayana when he says bhakti is both a sadhana as well as siddh. Siddh, don't worry. Siddh is anmol ratan. We don't do that. वो नहीं करना. वो रसिक संत हमको दे देंगे. Rasik saint is going to give us once we do something. Man krama vachana chari chaturai, bhajat hi kripa karat raghurai. By words, thoughts and deeds, you have to give up all chal kapat, all deceitfulness, all fraud. In other words, Nirmal man jan so mohi pava, mohi kapat chal chidra na bhava. Pure heart, pure mind. To get that anmol ratan, we have to make the vessel, or patra banana. That is a sadhana bhakti. That's why we have to do sadhana. That's why we come here. We come to the sadhana shiva, to Radha Madhav Dham, to do the sadhana, to make that vessel. Then we can get the anmol ratan. Guru wants to give it. Kripalu Mahaprabhu wants to give us. He's waiting every moment, but he cannot give it until we have the vessel. If he gives it to an undeserving soul, without that vessel, we'll be burnt to ashes. To patra banana. We have to make the vessel. The more you do sadhana, the more purity comes in the heart and the mind. Automatically you will start experiencing divine bliss. You don't have to wait till the last moment. Jaise bante, as we make it, as it starts purifying the vessel, the heart, the mind, you will start experiencing. This is a challenge. You don't have to wait and then when I finish I will get something. No. The moment you start practicing, Guru, he's looking. He knows how much we can take. He will only give that amount. Maharaj is with us every moment. Have that faith. He's here in every particle of this dham. He's blessed it. Specially blessed this place. And all of us, we experience it. You sit down and you focus, you will see, you will feel Maharaj's presence. And he wants to give us this anmol ratan. He's given us a taste now. If we have the vessel. And the more we make that vessel, the more he will give us. Until one day he'll give us the whole thing. And we'll drink it. It's up to us. Milyo ratan anmol hame to milyo
ratan anmol hame to
sadhan siddhi कृपालु प्रेम दो
साधन सिद्धि कृपालु प्रेम दो
सुन लो कान ही खोल हमें तो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
मिलो रतन अनमोल हमें तो
श्रीमद् सद्गुरु सरकार की, राधा रानी की, वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे।